and welcome back to the Gluten-Free Guru channel. My name is Tanya and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken linguini. So for this recipe you'll need about a pound of chicken. You can always double the recipe if you're having more people over to visit. You'll also be needing salt and pepper, sambal lick, tomato sauce, plain, one small onion. I'm actually going to use a half of a medium-sized onion. 1 head of broccoli, 1.5 red peppers. You can alternatively use green peppers or use 2 whole ones, depending on what you like, and beef broth. For this recipe, you will also be needing gluten-free linguini noodles, cornstarch for thickening your sauce, 1 large garlic clove, and Parmesan cheese. So first what we're going to do is heat up some olive oil in a pot, and we're going to cook our chicken with sambal lick. So first, turn your pot to high heat. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And depending how spicy you like your food, you can add about a teaspoon, a tablespoon, or if you don't like spicy at all, you can always buy sweet pimento sauce. Okay, next, add in your chicken. And shake it up so it's all even, touching the bottom of the pot. And add salt and pepper to it. And let that simmer until golden brown. In the meantime, you can start cutting up your onion. So like I said earlier, we're just going to be using a half. And now I'm going to add it in with the chicken. Make sure to get all the center part and seeds out of your sweet pepper. And cut it into nice big chunks. I always get a bowl ready with cold water. That way I can just add the chopped up broccoli to it and it can wash right away. Don't be afraid to keep in some of the stem. It's good food too. Okay, let's look up our chicken. Get it brown on both sides. So this is what you want to look for, a nice brown on the outside of your chicken. Your onions are nice and translucent, and you're getting that good sambal lick smell coming out of you. So next we're going to add our beef broth. So we'll have to mix ours. So 1 cup of beef broth is what you'll need. So just follow the directions if you're using a dry powder to equate 1 cup. I'm going to stir that in. And then 1 cup of your tomato puree. Stir that in. Finally, we're going to add in our vegetables. We're going to stir that in, make sure that the vegetables are saturated in the sauce. We're going to lower the heat to about a 3, and we're going to put a lid on it. And we're going to keep it like this for about 10 to 15 minutes before we take the lid off and let some of the water evaporate so our sauce thickens. So I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to take my lid off, stir it up, and we're going to leave it to thicken for about another 10 minutes. Now that your lid is off your sauce and you're waiting for it to thicken a bit, fill a pot with water and get it boiling. Next, get about a tablespoon or 2 of water ready, mixed with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, so it's been another 10 minutes and now we're going to add our thickening slurry. You probably won't need as much as we made, as it should have already thickened up. Okay, once it's thickened, you can lower your heat back down to a slow simmer. At this point, your water should be boiling, so we're going to add our linguini noodles to the pot. I'm going to add enough for 2 people, which is probably about a cup of noodles, maybe a little less. Follow the directions on the box to make al dente gluten-free noodles. Okay, so when your noodles are done, go ahead and put them on a plate. Add a ladle of your sauce with vegetables and chicken on top. Depending on how saucy you like it, you can add more or less. And then finish it off with some Parmesan. Bon appetit! Thank you for joining us this week and learning how to make chicken linguini. If you like this video, please hit like. If you want to see more, please hit subscribe. Thank you very much and bon appetit, everyone. Very good. Lots of flavor. Get a pot with hot water boiling. Get a pot on to boil hot water. Okay. Get a pot going. Okay, I'll get it.